All stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
Hell yeah.
Look, they got a whole bunch of them like it.
And get what else?
Got that in my stomach.
Money, this shit getting old. I'm a walking shopping Lindsay, they say welcome home. And I need to get my fucking gear look like
What's going on YouTube, man? It's your boy Rec, back with another video, man. As y'all can see, we got the Widebody Scat today, but today POV gonna be a little different. So, finally went and got some sound on this thing, man. I got a mid muffler delete, so this gonna be my first POV with the mid muffler delete. My car is a little bit dirty. I hate when my car be dirty, but you know, it is what it is. We got a little twin in the cut right there. Yeah, say what's up, little twin. Man, please. But yeah, man, we gonna get a cold start for y'all, man. First cold start with the mid muffler delete. Jesus Christ! God damn! Lord have mercy! Yeah, man, so we're gonna go ahead, man, get into it. Let's do it! Yeah. What's poppin'? What poppin' YouTube, man? We back. You feel me? We here. POV ski. POV ski. I ain't did no POV on this channel in a minute. I've been on TikTok, posting content on there. So y'all know what to do, man. Go add me on the top. We lit on now. That shit get on my nerve, I ain't gonna lie. I'm going.
At the light, use the right lane to merge onto I-75 South.
And I dropped my phone. We back, chat.
In 6.8 miles, take exit 215 onto 16th Street,
Yeah.
14th Street.
How long? 6.8 miles.
Exit 250.
Really my first POV like on a highway for real. I did a little one. It was a small. I was on the highway in Macon one time, but it wasn't like this. How the car sound? Is it really though?
Yes. You scared me when you cranked the car.
I scared you when I cranked the car.
Yes.
Man, please. Burbles.
What is that?
Like you just have to hear it, yeah. It's kinda like, you know, like when the exhaust just like
When they be making that noise like never mind. I don't know.
It's something like that. You almost got it right.
I feel like I know what you're talking about. Like I feel like I heard that before. Maybe he's like slowing down, stopping, and it be making that noise. Never mind.
Nah, you on the right track. I mean, I ain't gonna say it was flat out just burbles, but like it was crackling for sure. This here.
Tyree, it's traffic. Look.
I got it, man. Man.
Wrote the video in a minute.
Man, please.
All right now.
Man, please, bro.
Please, bro. When I gotta use it?
Oh!
Yeah, that's what I was talking about. It's like, that's what I'm saying, like little popping noise.
That shit hard as fuck, bro. Oh my god. Damn, that shit hard. That cause I am. What the?
Lord have mercy.
I'm trying to do it again. Where we going? 250. This it?
Yeah. Why is your eyes watering like? Just 16th Street.
Use the second lane from right to take exit 250 onto 16th Street toward 14th Street.
Say second lane from right. You can just keep going and get over me. I wonder why it's traffic right now. Something must be going on. Oh, you're in the right lane.
Take the exit, then keep left toward 14th Street and 10th Street.
So you gotta get in there. Second.
I ain't following direction. What they finna do?
Use the left lane to keep left toward 14th Street and 10th Street.
You was addicted to this.
Keep left, then turn right onto 14th Street Northwest. In a quarter mile, turn right onto 14th Street Northwest. At the next light, turn right.
Damn. Let's do it! Yo, man, we in the city with it, man. Look at that beautiful view. Beautiful, young man. Is that a big ass brick in the road? What the fuck?
Where?
That's a damn, that's some frozen fucking fish in it. What the fuck?
Huh?
It was a brick of frozen damn fish.
I'm looking at your car.
Yeah, young nigga.
I'm gonna try to come save you some water. Look.
Man, hell nah,
boy.
hell nah.
He's saying something. You're hustling.
Shit, hey, we all gotta hustle. Shit.
Aw,
Shit, nigga.
He's just a young boy.
Hey,
He deserves $1.
yeah, I ain't got no dollar for twin,
I
man.
had some cash. I'll give it.
In a quarter mile, the destination is on your right. Toast on Lennox.
What?
Trying to act like he wasn't looking.
I don't got.
He really just side-eyed you like.
Hey. That shit sound crazy as fuck. We here? Alright, bet. You want to park at the gas station?
It's up here.
That's what I'm saying.
I don't even see it. Do you see it? Oh.
I should have parked at the gas station.
Keep going. I mean, there might be something up here.
The destination is on your right. Toast on Lennox. Arrived.
What y'all niggas looking at? It's parking over here.
Yeah, we're parking at the gas station too.
Park where you want to
I ain't gonna lie. I should have just got down. What's the name? Oh, this a one way. Oh no, this ain't no one way. I'm tweet.
These cars parked this way.
I'm tweet.
Ooh, is this the... Look at these houses over here. Look at this house. That is so nice. It's red and black. That is so cute. Then you got the older houses. That one is newer.
I'm finna go back over there.
Are these townhomes? I would love to live over here in one of these houses. Look at this one. Bruh,
What?
I can't even find my darn.
Brief intermission because somebody wanted to be a bit back.
Y'all, toast on Lennox. Toast on Lennox. 10 out of freaking 10, you guys. Like, it's good. Even Tyreek said it's good.
Got crumbs all on your lip glosses.
Man, leave me alone.
Yeah, fuck that nigga, let go.
Ain't nobody scared they little light skinned asses. What light skin gonna do to me?
Besides, listen to damn jerk.
A little skinny ass light skin. With a face tattoo, think he hard, nigga. You a light skinned nigga.
What the fuck?
Sit your ass down somewhere, little boy.
What the fuck?
That's what I'm gonna tell them. They gonna be like, damn.
You
They gonna
stupid.
retreat like a little puppet, cause that's all you is.
Man, please.
He's scared of no little light skin bitch. Y'all niggas ain't hard just cause y'all got face tattoos. That don't make y'all hard. And cause y'all walk around with y'all hands down, that don't make y'all hard. That really make y'all pussy if you ask me.
Pussy bitch.
I'm trying to get the crumbs out your car so you don't whip my butt.
Thank you.
I'm talking about they light skin. I'm damn near light skin, ain't I?
Yeah, it's hell.
So what I'm talking about.
Why you sitting there talking shit?
And I said what I said, you light skinned little niggas.
Damn.
Ew, that's ugly. Ugly damn playground. That's somebody's house.
There's gonna be too much wind on my side.
Look,
Oh yeah, that hard. I think I've seen some shit like that on
that's
Instagram.
probably about 2 million too.
Hell yeah.
You know, look, they got a whole bunch of them like it.
And get what else?
Got that in my stomach. People be looking crazy as fuck.
Damn! That bit crazy as fuck! Damn! Oh shit!
Man.
I love this shit.
The Indian boys.
I ain't gonna lie.
Hell.
That nigga like, damn, what the fuck is that?
Trying not to turn around.
Oh, good. They ain't be trying to look.
I'll be scared as hell. I'll be turned around real fast. What the fuck was that?
Damn. That down shit was so crazy. Goddamn Tesla. Get your big boot ass out of the way. I ain't gonna lie.
What? Why they in the lane? Tariq, come on now. Bro, why is this still playing?
Oh my fucking God. I don't see what I see, I'm a big boss. I don't see what I see, I'm a big boss.
It's a cute color.
That blue?
Pretty cute.
Yeah, that shit hard.
And they car next to blue.
Look at 12.
Oh. That's 36. Yep. They ain't
Oh, we over here in Tech.
Yeah. See all these Asians and Indians? College kids.
Come on now, I'm on. Oh, come on.
What? Y'all Asian and Indians. Y'all go to Georgia Tech. Y'all watch it. Y'all know y'all Asian. What?
Oh
I ain't
shit.
telling no lie.
Man, I really need to get over. Damn.
I mean, you got time.
I ain't it.
Real though. That's all I be saying. Look, what that is.
Man.
Asian and well, come on.
What?
They both Indians. One of them just light skinned, one of them, you know, Indians be black. They be,
Man, get the fuck on, bro.
what?
Get the fuck on, bro.
I'm not lying. I'm just saying.
Get the hell on.
Love that for them.
Goddamn rain flying, but god damn. I mean, damn. Sorry. Oh shit, what the face you just made? What the face you just made? Man, it's a Maybach in front of me.
It's amazing.
Get this shit out of my goddamn shit.
Man.
Damn.
What's that, a Bentley?
Yeah.
Nice.
Exactly. Get your ass out the fucking way.
You gotta cut that part out of the video. It's Atlantic Station right here. We go right.
For damn.
Who's honking?
Damn.
Who's doing that?
That's the OTE running. I'm gonna go that way.
I was just about to say, don't you be watching that stuff?
Yeah.
OTE 230 17th Street. Overtime you
OTE arena. Oh shit. I ain't gonna lie.
beat. Driving.
A GoPro, man.
Camera.
Where y'all going?
You don't need to be driving that fast where you can't hold your phone and record.
Why would you want to hold your phone and record and drive anyway?
Right, he's trying to do the most.
Man, I don't get my content, bro. What's up? Man, cause what the fuck they doing?
I don't know. Damn. Lord.
spin back. That shit hard as fuck.
It's fine.
Damn, that's a Durango. Oh, that's a cat.
It's there it is right there.
Fast. That's a cat. Oh God, that's a cat. That's a Durango.
I was trying to see what the tag said.
Damn. Today, goddamn it.
Like, please.
Oh damn, dude, you can't enter that bit. Yui.
They might swerve in that corner.
Damn, cuz. I know I ain't been talking to y'all. Y'all just been enjoying the ride, but I got one more pull through this tunnel. And we out of here. You ready to hear how it sound through a tunnel?
Who?
You.
Lord. You finna scare this young man to death.
Hey, that is YouTube, man. I'm gonna holler at y'all, man. Good POV for the day, ski.
We
Tell 'em.
out of here.
Tell them bye.
Bye.
Money, this shit getting old. I'm a walking, shopping Lindsay, they say welcome home. And I need to get my fucking gear, look like